Hello, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Another project that I'm working on here in the shop today is actually we did more work on this yesterday. One of my friends came over, Brother Michael Granby, and he removed all the components from this Leslie 145, and he's started cleaning up the components for me. So this is his project, so I'm gonna leave this alone. He's already wiped out the inside. We're gonna be pledging that down, orange glue and whatever need to be orange glued. So we'll be doing that. He'll be doing that really soon. I think he's coming back tomorrow. Take care of this, and we're gonna take care of those motors, and we'll clean that V21 up. Just all, everything. I like everything clean. Then, of course, I'll rebuild that crossover there. In fact, let me go ahead and take this crossover, put it over here, and put that out of the way. Then I'll rebuild that to get it ready to go back in here. Got a nice bass speaker over here, so I'll probably put a new fresh Recone bass woofer in there. That's what I'll do. I got some nice P15s, P15LL out there in storage that I'll pull one of those and put that in there. Man, this thing is gonna sound great. Okay, that's it for this video. Until the next video, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc, saying to you, peace out.